Install weatherboards by yourself with CladMate.
Today I'm going to be reviewing the CladMate cladding system. We've probably had this for 6 months now. We can give it a pretty thorough review. Basically what we've been using them for is we've used them on timber weatherboard, we've used them on Hardy's linear board. Both of those things it's done a great job on. It sort of paid for itself. You've probably used it from maybe 3 or 4 jobs now. It just allows one person to cut and the other person to put it straight up. It doesn't take much effort, just push it straight up onto the next board, sit the next board on it and shoot it off. On a job like this, you just set your first laser line and stack them up. You get the perfect lap every time, especially when you're up on a ladder or you're up on a scaff. You don't have that issue of sort of leaning across and trying to get it perfect. So they work great for us, and thanks to CladMate for creating such a good product, and can't wait to see what else comes from the factory. Cheers.
Install weatherboards by yourself and twice as fast with CladMate. Insert the CladMates. Engage the handle. Set the board. Nail away. CladMate easily clamps to each board and it removes effortlessly. CladMate adjusts for different widths of weatherboards and has incredible holding power. It's great for scaffolding and tight places.
The good thing about the CladMate system, once it's in place, you know your boards are straight, and it basically allows chippies to be able to clad completely by themselves as well.
Just want to say that it's a really quick, fast, easy tool to use. Gives you a perfect lap every time.
Probably cut the time down in half. Usually a 2-man job has become a 1.
Gives you the perfect lap every time. You can work by yourself, it's really quick.
Turns a 2-man job into a 1-man job. CladMate, love it.
In terms of looking at linear cladding, I don't think I'd ever do cladding without them again.
Order yours now at cladmate.com.au. Free next day shipping from Sydney.